Welcome back to part 3 of the Japan vlog. This, once again, is a 2-year project that I have just been procrastinating non-stop. Expect the quality of this video to be slightly worse than the previous one. Look, it's all in the name of getting the video out in the first place. With that aside, don't forget to subscribe as well. We opened the vlog with a trip to Odaiba. This is probably one of my favorite places in Tokyo. There's a lot of stuff to do, and we started out just dicking around in Madame Tussauds, but there was a pretty cool place we went to after. And it's not Team Labs.
Hello? Can I get in, please? Onegaishimasu.
I should also note that this is around the point in the trip where I just kind of stopped talking to the camera. So this is me salvaging this as best as I can.
So I'm just gonna turn the camera off.
So basically for this Odaiba trip, we went to Small Worlds Tokyo, Madame Tussauds, and the Miraikan Museum. That one we weren't allowed to film. You will see this place again, because there are plenty more places to visit here, but that'll be for a future vlog.
Oh, today was a success. Evangelion underwear, Evangelion shirt, Evangelion cup holder. I didn't get that. Evangelion everything. Dinner. Good night. Today is the Your Name day. We're not going to be doing much other than doing Your Name stuff, which is precisely why I bought this. Definitely why I bought the schoolgirl outfit.
After a bit of that tomfoolery, on the walk back we found this pretty nice garden. I say garden, it's more of some courtyard to some palace. I think it's a government building though.
Guys, we just ordered some pizza. We're gonna be watching a movie. Well, we're watching volleyball Haikyuu right now, but then we're gonna watch Your Name from pizza. Here. Okay, first checking on our laundry. 25 minutes still. Okay. I'm not wearing my jacket right now. It is fucking freezing. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's cold. Should be coming out here any second now. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Oh yes. Pizza and Your Name. Yum yum. Oh,
Okay, January 8th. This is technically the last day we had in Tokyo. There's another week to go in this vlog that I have to edit, but yeah, we're only at the 5-minute mark, so this is definitely going to be a shorter part compared to the previous two. Wait, I need to figure out how to use this first. After walking around the Tokyo Skytree area, we will end this vlog around Asakusa. Admittedly, a lot of the footage starts to become more B-roll and less actual descriptory video. So that's why I'm just gonna rely a lot more on the voiceovers in the next videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I also hope you guys continue to enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, wrapping up. We're about to wrap up Tokyo now. We've kind of packed everything. Last thing to do is to just check what the f this is. Tries to be Shinji. How do I open this? Oh. Oh. Oh! Wait, let's consult the instructions. I think I shall not construct it till I get back to Melbourne because I think it'll save space. Okay, good night. I'll see you on the f***ing bullet train.